Hello everyone, we are getting ready for the Ed Tech Smackdown. I hope you are excited and ready. This video is just going to go over a couple different things so that way you feel prepared for the Smackdown. First off, thank you so much for getting your slides done. They're looking great. So the first thing that's going to take place on our agenda is we have first introductions. These are going to be quick. Okay, so Abbott is going to introduce you. You'll probably walk across the stage. Feel free to get the crowd excited, pumped up. Again, it's going to be probably really quick because we've got a lot more content to get through. But of course, we do want to give you guys all shout outs. Your slides look beautiful. Those attending will get access to the slides as well. So they're going to fill out this Google form, and then that's going to be used for the giveaways as well. So if anybody needs who attended our session, or you're just curious, I'm happy to share that information with you. Just send me a note after ISTE, please, after ISTE, not right now, or after the session actually. Okay, so once we do intros, then we're gonna go right into the directions. So again, Abbott's gonna go over those directions, 5 minutes. He's probably gonna introduce the judges as well. So we've got our lovely judges. So we've got Scott, Kat, and Farmer Fobbs. And then we also have Virginia helping with the TikTok. So she is our timer. She's going to be going, okay, it's a minute, next slide. And you better go to the next slide. If you get cut off, you are done and you're off stage. Okay, so again, that is when we'll go over those directions, and then we'll begin the smack talk. Okay, if you made a note in the spreadsheet, I went ahead and looked at these and was able to go ahead and put you where you needed to be. So again, if you were needed somewhere on the certain time frame, so you need to leave by 3:30, you're going to be kind of first, okay? So we are going to have about 30 minutes. So everybody gets 1 minute each, and there will be allowed a little bit of smack talk in between, but not a whole lot because we're on time crunch. So here is the slides, and basically everybody that needed to go are right here, and then there's a warning, and then everybody else will go, and then I know some people needed to go at the end. So again, if there's something that needs changed, you should have let me know. If you're having issues the day of, just message the WhatsApp group and just put it to the whole group, because if I'm running around like crazy, I might not see it, and somebody in the group will let me know. So again, we're going to go right in order. You'll get 1 minute. Virginia's going to move you to the next slide. 1 minute, next slide. 1 minute, next slide. Okay. After that, again, we're going to do closings, awards, and giveaways. So how are you going to win, right? This isn't just like a popularity contest. The judges are actually going to be voting. So what there is in our sheet, there's a score sheet. There's also a leaderboard, and there's also these references, okay? What's going to happen is the judges, they're each going to get a spreadsheet that looks like this. Okay, they're going to go in order. That's why I can't change the order, because I don't want to mess up the judges. So again, you should have told me earlier. So right here, Stephanie, I'm going to say she's a 10. The judges, this is important to note. You need to move down. It can't stay on there. You've got to move it down. And then let's do Scott 7. I'm going to come over here to Stephanie again, 10. I'm going to do Scott 6. Stephanie again, 10. And this time, Scott, you're going to get a 3. Okay, on the score sheet, you're going to notice some things. So Luis is incredible, and he was helping out with this. See how Scott right here doesn't have a score from Scott? Well, that's because Scott, you haven't clicked down. Okay, it's really important for our judges to click down. That way it updates to the sheet. Okay, so that's really important to note. Once those scores come in, it's out of 10. So 0 out of 10 is how you can score. 0 is awful, 10 is excellent. It is going to grab the average. From there, we have a leaderboard, and it's going to rank, and it's going to be changing throughout the entire presentation. So what we'll probably do is Virginia will probably have this tab up as well, and she'll be able to kind of highlight, that person that's up, and then we can see randomly the leaderboard changing in real time. So thank you, Luis, for doing that. That is fantastic. A couple of the prizes might go towards the winner. So again, a couple of those prizes, I know Collabs for sure is giving 1 free enterprise community. How cool is that? If you have giveaways, please let me know as soon as possible. but I think I got everyone. If your logo needs updated or something like that, please let me know. But if not, it's good to go. I think that is it. Again, use the WhatsApp group if there's anything that you have questions of or need, because other people might also have those same questions as well. But I'm really excited. I hope you guys like how we did the scoring. Again, I just want to shout out Luis. He's incredible. And I can't wait to see everybody really, really soon at ISTE. Have a good one.